Hello, good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today I am going to talk about our great Independence Day. But before starting my speech, let me introduce myself. I am Sneha Vishesh, a student of class 4. I am from a beautiful place named Kalamari in Nadia district. My dear audience, today is the 15th of August. This is a very proud day for our lovely country, India. On this day in 1947, we got freedom from the British rule. My dear friends, freedom did not come easily. Many brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Binay Badal, Dinesh, and many more great hearts. There
who devoted, who sacrificed their entire lives, ঠিক আছে, who shed their blood for our lovely country India. So let's promise, চলো ঠিক আছে, ওর জন্য জোরে একটা হাততালি, খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে, বাহ ভালো, জোরে হাততালি দাও।